Welcome to my channel. This is a video on how to create Airtm account and verify your account successful. So now, what is Airtm? It is a digital wallet that lets you send, receive and withdraw money in different countries including US dollars. Okay, so this Airtm allows you to receive payment from online jobs and freelance platforms, and you can also transfer money to other Airtm users. Again, you can withdraw funds to a local bank account or cryptocurrencies. So that is what you can use this ATM to do. So now I'm going to be creating new account and show you how you can actually do that and also verify your account. So I will be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. So if you don't have account, you can use the link to download the app. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I am Treasure. What I do on this my channel is all about app reviews and also app tutorials and how you can make money online with your phone, with your internet connection, with no referral needed. Okay, so now don't forget to share this video, subscribe and also turn on the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my latest video or app tutorial like this. So now let's dive into the video. When you click the link, it's going to take you to Play Store and you download it. After downloading the app, to bring you to this interface. So here it says get paid and use your money. So now it says where do you live? You are going to click this arrow and search for your country here. You understand? You can also type in your country here and search for it. So this is my country. Then you click on create an account. Then they say what type of account do you want to create? I will be choosing personal, so you choose personal. So now they say you should put your email, or you use Google or you use Facebook. So I'm going to be using email, so you can actually use email to create this account. So now I'm going to be putting my email here. After putting your email, you click on continue. Then they ask for password. You are going to create a strong password and don't forget your password. So now I'm going to be creating my password now. After putting your password, make sure you check if it is correct. Then you click on continue. So this is how it says verification successful. So this is how you can actually create this account. Don't forget to share this video and also like this video. So after inputting the email, they are going to send you message to your email. So as you can see, they say I should check my email. So I'm going to check my email and know if there is any message there. So as you can see, this is their email. You click on it. Click on it and copy the code. So this is my code. You are going to copy your own code. You copy it and paste it there. Understand? So you paste it. So now they say tell us about you. You are going to put your first name here and your last name here and your birthday, which is the year, the date and the month. So now this first name, you are going to be putting it as it is in your ID. So you are going to be putting your full name here. If it's capital letter, you write everything capital letter. If it's small, you write everything small letter. Then this last name is your surname. Do you understand now? So I'm going to be putting my first name here. So I put my first name. So this is my full name and this is my last name here. Okay, so you check if your name is correct. Then here you pick your date of birth. Understand? So after putting your date of birth, you click on continue. They say you should put your address. Please enter your home address exactly as it appear on your ID. So now you are going to be putting your address here. Okay, so let me put my address. Let me put my address. Please, after putting this address, check if it is correct before you continue. Understand? So if you have second address, you can also put your second address here, but I don't have. Then you're going to click on city. Okay, click on city and put your city. So this is my city here. This is my city. Then your state, you click on this arrow and get your state. So let me get my state here. This is my state. Then your postal code, input your postal code. If you don't know your postal code, you can just ask AI to give you the postal code of the state you live in. Do you understand? So let me put my postal code here. So after putting your postal code, you click on continue. So now it says enter your phone number. I'm going to put my phone number here. So after putting your phone number, you check if it is correct and click on continue. So now it says, were you invited to ATM by a friend? If yes, you input the referral code here, which I will be leaving down in the comment section of this video. Then for me, I don't have any referral code. I'm going to click on I don't have a code. Understand? So this is all my information. They are going to say check your information and know if it is correct and match your legal documents. So I'm going to check and know if it is correct. Okay, so after checking it, then you click on continue. So as you can see, we just finally create this ATM successful. They say all done, welcome to ATM, add funds to ATM, open a virtual account. So we are going to click on skip for now. So now this is the ATM account. We just created this successful. Okay, so the next part is for you to verify your account, right? So this is how you verify your account. You click this place, this your profile icon. When you click on it, okay, you scroll and click on settings. All right, then you click on verification here. Click on this arrow. So it says to ensure the safety of all ATM users, we need to verify your identity. Okay, so if you can read all this, it say this verification allow you to add, transfer and withdraw using more than 500 payment method, open a US and Euro virtual account, earn USDC with job opportunity and investment. You can also get job from this particular ATM. Understand? So this is how you verify your account. You click on verify now and they say 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, you click on verify now and make sure you have your ID. All right, you can read all this information and understand what they ask for you. Then you click on begin verifying. So they say before you begin, you will need, the first thing is 5 to 15 minutes Then you will need a physical government ID, then a proof of address document. So it says creating multiple accounts is violating of our terms of service. So you guys to click on continue. So now it says country of government ID. So that is Nigerian. Then country of residence. Then you just choose your residence, right? So everything is correct for me. Then I'll click on continue. So now this is where you are going to fill in your information. They say we have a few questions to get to know you better. So the first thing is occupation detail. Just click on it, okay, and get your occupation details or similar to it. Do you understand now? So let me check the one that is similar to me. And I'll pick it. So let me just pick this dentist, okay. Then this one is employment status. Click on it and select. I'm going to select self-employed. Then this one is source of income. You click on it and pick, right? So I'm going to pick going to click on savings. Then this one is purpose of account. Click on it and choose. Alright, so I'm going to be choosing this purchase goods and services, okay. Then this one is expected monthly amount to be sent or received. So I'm going to be clicking on 500 to 9,999. Then this one says, are you receiving or sending funds on behalf of someone other than yourself? So I'm going to be choosing yes, right? Are you receiving or sending funds on behalf of someone's other than yours? Just click on yes and click on continue. Then this one says select the country where you were born. So you're going to click this arrow and select your country. So mine is Nigeria. I'm going to click on continue. So now this place says upload a photo ID. We require a photo of a government ID to verify your identity. So now you are going to choose one from these options. Either you choose driver license, or you choose passport, or you choose national ID, or you choose voter's card. So anyone you have, you are going to click on it. So I'm going to be clicking on national ID. Okay, so here it says allow Airtm to take pictures and record video. So I'm going to be clicking on allow and pause this video and verify my identity. Okay, so after uploading my ID, both the front and the back, so it says processing ID. Please wait as we process your upload. So we're going to wait. Okay, just hold on. So now it says almost done. A few more steps until you have completed verification. So you are going to click on continue. So it says let's make sure you are you. To verify your identity, position yourself in the center of the camera and slowly move your face left and right to show both sides. So what you are going to do is just to click on get started and complete the verification. So I'm going to pause this video and complete mine. So after uploading and everything, it just showed on that they are going to send me message when my verification is successful. So you can just come back here. Okay, that is how you create ATM account and verify your account successful. So guys, if you have watched to this point, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop new update or app tutorial like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and get value from it. Okay, so let me check my email and know if I've received message from them. So let me check back my email. So as you can see, this is their message. They said ID verification accepted. As you can see, my ID is successful, approved. So now you can actually use this account to withdraw money from something like Timebox or any app you are doing that they ask you to withdraw using ATM. All you have to do is to use this particular email address that you used to sign up and paste there and confirm it, then withdraw from here. Then when you want to withdraw from ATM to your local bank, all you have to do is to click on withdraw here. When you click on withdraw, you click on new payment method. Okay, then you click on bank. You are going to select your account location. You're going to type in your account location here. So I'm going to type in Nigeria. Okay, then this is Nigeria. You pick Nigerian Bank NGN. Click on it. Then you're going to put the amount you want to withdraw. You know, there is no funds here. Assuming you want to withdraw like $3. When you click on it, you are going to display the rate in Naira. Then you are going to click on continue and provide your account number, the information, the details, and click on send. And from here, you transfer to your local bank. So that is how you can actually create ATM account and verify your account successful. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new updates or app tutorial like this. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in my next one.